Hello everyone. Another day. Today is 5th of May, and we are going to solve another question problem of the day. This question is delete node in a linked list. It's a medium level question, but it is very easy. The main part is to understand the question. So we have given a head, and we have want to delete a node from it. So firstly, I am thinking to modify the head, but then I realized the modification of node is necessary for it only. So for example, if we have given the this linked list, we have to delete the five node, and the linked list should return like this. Here you can see we do not have to return anything. We have to just modify the value of the linked list. So for deletion of the node in a linked list, we can delete it by suppose this is the node and we have to modify it. We can change the value of the node to the next value. So we have two alternative. In the previous one, we can refer 4 dot next equal to 1, and we can forget about 5. And now another method is we can 5 is the node dot value. We can change the node dot value to node dot next dot value. This means 5 is represented by 1, and node dot next equal to node dot next, and 5 5 dot next equal to 1, but we are skipping the 1 and we are changing 5 dot next dot that means 5 is referring to 9 and 5 is changed by 1. So this is the method of deletion we use. We can simply change the value of 5 by 1 and then reference of 1 given to 9. And this is the does not have to return anything, so I am going to run it. This is very simple method. As you can see, we have completed the solution. So thank you everyone.